is one and only for the animals protection and the maintenance of animals only. So there are different organizations are there. In that we are going to say about the Blue Cross and CPSCEA. That is nothing but community for the purpose of control and supervision for supervision of experiments on animals. So this is the abbreviation for this CPCSEA. And Blue Cross, it is we know very well about this, but this is a little bit new for us, we can say. And first we are going to say about this in 1897 in United Kingdom, UK. If you see, this was first organized. And in 1959, if you see, V. Sundaram found this Blue Cross in India. He was the only person to bring out this Blue Cross in India. And this CPCSEA, it is functioning. Actually, this act has been started in 1960, but it was started functioning without any problem with all sort of authorities on 1991 onwards. It has been started. So in this first we are going to say about the Blue Cross. What do you mean by Blue Cross? Even so many importance they will be given to the animals, even the animals which are not well, or it has been thrown without any care, or if any accidental problem for the animal or any endangered species, everything they are just safeguarding and protecting is their main theme. And even in the advertisement also, the animals should not be harmed. Even the film industries also, the animals should not be harmed. So such a nook and corner they will be checking over by this Blue Cross people. And if you see the first received many national and international awards they have been received. The Blue Cross, according to this Blue Cross, so many awards they have gotten, and because of their welfare association membership. And this was being taken care by many volunteers are there working under this Blue Cross organization. And next, the main office, it has been situated in Guindy, which is present in Chennai, and with all portable, with all facilities like hospitals, shelter for animals, and birth control and ambulance service is there. Not only for the human being, all these are present, even for the animals also. So many importance they are giving, and they are taking care of this animals in the Blue Cross. And rehoming, for example, if any of the animal which has been rejected from the house members and it has been thrown means, so rehome it is there, and adaptation is also there, and medical checkup it is there, mobile dispensaries, mobile hospital it is there to take care of animals. So these are all the importance of Blue Cross. So because of their service towards the animals, so they got so many national and international awards are being given over. Clear, children? So next we are going to see about the CPCSEA. So animals are should not suffer from any of the experiments. So CPSCEA, if you see, the animals should not be suffered during the experiment time. Any medical or any experiments if they are going for, the animals should not be harmed and it should not damage their life. So that is the main function. And we are going to see about the objectives and function of this CPSCEA. Objective, if you see, avoid unwanted pain before and after experiment. So that is their main objective. The rules and regulations they are giving, the animals should not be harmed before and after their experiment process is over. And proper guideline or housing or breeding it should be given for the animal. Even the food shelter it should be given properly. And human care on animals in biomedical it should be given, and behavior should be observed, and even the testing time also it should be clean observation should be done on the experimental animals. So that is the main objective we can say. And next, if you see the function, the animal house facility should be given, proper ventilation, sanitation, and food, everything should be given properly. And getting permission from the conducting experiment, the person who is getting who is going to do the experiment, they should get proper permission from the person for the usage of animals. And action against the cruelty they are going to make over, like even the person can go for in prison also. They will be making the person to be in prison, and if they are harming the animal. And maintenance of all their breeds should be done, because in upcoming days if you see so many new species, that is new species are coming over, but in case the old species are slowly eradicating. So their main